Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. This is Topaz with topazjewelryandgifts.com, and I just wanted to quickly share a few gift sets that I created for a customer who wanted some Victoria's Secret gift sets for some of her friends. Anyway, so I just wanted to show you that I made these little sets here, and this one includes a candle and a lotion, and that right there is a lavender and vanilla scented set, and that is, as you can see there, it's a miniature perfume bottle and a travel size, same scent, in the love scent. And these two are just lotion and mist sets, and these are ready to go. I just need to go ahead and bag these, shrink wrap them, and put a bow on them, and I will see my customer tomorrow, and I'm sure she'll be really happy with them once I do them up. So I just wanted to share these, and I will also show you the finished product once they're bagged and bowed. Does that make sense? Bagged and bowed. Anyway, I put a bag and a bow on them, and I'll be right back, and you will see how they came out. And here they are. The baskets are complete. They have their bags, their bows, and here's a close-up. The candle and the lotion. The bows look royal blue here, but they are absolutely a gorgeous dark purple. And that's light pink and gold polka dot. And that bow right there is a gorgeous lavender color, but again, it looks blue on here, and it's not. And anyway, here is the other two little sets, and that's it. Ready to go to my customer tomorrow. Got it all done, thank God. Okay, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you think. Take care.